तो चलिए हम इसे लिखते हैं 90 की स्पीड में। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। A natural disaster is an unforeseen occurrence of an event that causes harm to society. Stop. There are many natural disasters that damage the environment and the people living in it. Stop. Some of them are earthquakes, cyclones, floods, tsunamis, landslides, volcanic eruptions, and avalanches. Stop. Spatial extent measures the degree or severity of the disaster. Stop. Some disasters are those that extend from 50 kilometers to 100 kilometers. Stop. So, these kinds of disasters do not cause much damage. Stop. Some disasters extend from 100 kilometers to 500 kilometers. Stop. These cause more damage than a small scale disaster. Stop. Moreover, they can cause greater damage if they occur at large level. Stop. Large scale disasters are those disasters which cover an area of more than 1000 kilometers. Stop. These cause the most severe damage to the environment. Stop. Furthermore, these disasters can even take over a country if the degree is high. Stop. For instance, the wiping out of the dinosaurs was because of a large scale natural disaster. Stop. An earthquake is the shaking or vibrating of the earth. Stop. An earthquake can range in sizes. Stop. As a result, some are so weak that they go unnoticed. Stop. But some are so strong that they can even destroy the whole city. Stop. Earthquakes can cause disruption of ground. Stop. Moreover, they can also cause landslides, avalanches, and tsunami. Stop. However, the center of an earthquake falls mostly offshore. Stop. These can cause releasing of the energy. Stop. This release is from the core of the earth. Stop. Furthermore, the release of energy causes seismic waves. Stop. Rupturing of geological faults causes earthquakes. Stop. But other events like volcanic eruptions, landslides, or mine blasts can also cause it. Stop. Landslide is the moving of big portion of rocks or debris down a slope. Stop. As a result, landslides occur on mountains and hilly areas. Stop. Moreover, landslides can cause destruction to man-made things in many ways. Stop. Gravitational pull, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes can cause landslides. Stop. Moreover, soil erosion due to deforestation is also a cause of landslides. Stop. Avalanches are like landslides. Stop. But instead of rocks, 1,000 tons of snow falls down the slope. Stop. Moreover, this causes extreme damage to anything that comes in its way. Stop. People who live in snowy mountains always have fear of it. Stop. Avalanches takes places when there is a large accumulation of snow on mountains. Stop. Moreover, they can also occur from earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Stop. Furthermore, the chances of surviving in avalanche are very less. Stop. This is because people die of hypothermia in it. Stop. Tsunami is the production of very high waves in ocean and seas. Stop. Moreover, the displacement of the ground causes these high waves. Stop. Tsunami can cause floods if it occurs near source stop. It consists of multiple waves stop. Moreover, these waves have a high current stop. Therefore, it can reach coastlines within minutes stop. The main threat of a tsunami is if a person sees a tsunami, he cannot outrun it stop. Tsunami is unlike normal waves that occur due to the wind, but tsunami is occurred by ground displacement stop. Thus, earthquakes are the main causes of tsunamis stop. Natural disasters are unforeseen events that cause damage to the environment and the people stop. Natural disasters can cause great damage to human society, but preventive measures can be taken to reduce the damage from these disasters stop. A natural disaster is unforeseen, severe and immediate stop. Pollution, ozone depletion in the stratosphere and global warming come in this category stop. A natural disaster means a disaster that is completely natural stop. This natural disaster can come at any time stop. There is no time for a natural disaster to come stop. It can occur at anywhere stop. Due to these natural disasters, natural property and all the creatures of this world are at great risk, which is very harmful to the whole environment stop. Many creatures also die due to this natural disaster stop. Natural disasters, that is the calamities caused by nature stop. These affect human life badly stop. There is no human restriction on natural calamities stop. There cannot be any preconjecture of the occurrence of such calamities which leads to the death of a large number of people due to these disasters and causing damage to their goods stop. Due to such calamities, other living beings living on the earth are also destroyed stop. Some natural disasters are caused by human and some disasters are according to the law of nature stop. To avoid such natural disasters, disaster management has been set up in every country stop. Only caution and understanding can save us from natural disasters stop. Lack of proper planning and emergency management further exacerbates human vulnerabilities. Damage to economy, human and environmental damage stop. Today, many kinds of natural disasters on earth cause huge loss of life and property every year stop. These disasters suddenly come and destroy everything in a few moments stop. By the time man can understand anything, this disaster destroys everything stop. Humans have no emphasis on natural disasters as they cannot be detected in advance stop.